From the elemental expanse, precision rises. Automation incarnate. Logistical choreography. Raw materials, precision delivered. Unloading protocol initiated. Efficiency in every lift. Data acquisition, material tracking. The first phase of transformation. Vessels of rehydration. Scale and precision synchronized. Automated infusion. Controlled chemistry begins its work. Deep immersion initiated. The rhythm of revitalization. Post-liming transit. Ready for mechanical refinement. Precision fleshing. Material perfected. Waste eliminated. Precision splitting divides the material into layers, each destined for a specific grade of product.
The dyeing process infuses the leather with vibrant hues, meticulously controlled for uniform color saturation.
Merging with rich, uniform color, the hide is now aesthetically transformed.
Toggle drying frames maintain optimal tension, ensuring consistent moisture removal and dimensional stability.
Vacuum pressing achieves a perfectly smooth, unblemished surface, essential for premium leather quality. Automated staking machines meticulously flex each hide, enhancing softness and ensuring a luxurious feel. Robotic polishers ensure a flawless, superior surface finish, completing the leather's transformation. Precision splitting divides the material into layers, each destined for a specific grade of product. The shaving process ensures uniform thickness, preparing the leather for subsequent treatments. Robotic systems orchestrate the delicate transfer through critical pre-tanning solutions, optimizing preparation. Tanning agents are precisely applied, transforming raw material into stable, durable leather with unwavering consistency.
The dyeing process infuses the leather with vibrant hues, meticulously controlled for uniform color saturation.
Emerging with rich, uniform color, the hide is now aesthetically transformed. Toggle drying frames maintain optimal tension, ensuring consistent moisture removal and dimensional stability. Vacuum pressing achieves a perfectly smooth, unblemished surface, essential for premium leather quality. Automated staking machines meticulously flex each hide, enhancing softness and ensuring a luxurious feel. Robotic polishers ensure a flawless, superior surface finish, completing the leather's transformation. The raw material integrates seamlessly. Precision systems guide each hide, commencing its transformation.
The process heats to optimal levels. Chemical reactions commence, meticulously controlled for material consistency.
Emerging softened, each hide advances. The workflow dictates flawless progression to the next precision stage.
The fleshing machine engages. Excess material is meticulously removed, preparing each hide for ultimate refinement.
Every spark signifies transformation. Precision engineering shapes raw material into uniform perfection. Post-fleshing, hides now uniform. The conveyor guides them, relentless, to the next stage of exactitude. Laser precision initiates the split. Each hide will yield uniform layers, optimizing material utility.
The blades engage. A decisive, rhythmic cut ensures perfect, consistent thickness every time. Real-time metrics confirm exactitude. Every parameter is monitored, guaranteeing uncompromising quality control. The shaving sequence initiates, ensuring uniform thickness with unmatched precision.
Every pass refines the hide, achieving a flawless surface ready for the next stage.
Achieving impeccable uniformity.
The hides transition to chemical preparation, a continuous flow. Chemical preparation begins, with robotics ensuring exact immersion for optimal results.
Hides cycle through conditioning, each step executed with speed and unwavering efficiency.
The pickling process meticulously prepares the hides for the profound transformation of tanning. Now, the tanning phase commences, turning raw material into a durable, luxurious product.
The rhythmic rotation ensures uniform penetration, solidifying the leather's strength and character.
With artistic precision, vibrant dyes are introduced, imbuing the leather with its final, stunning hue. Parameters are optimal. Dyeing sequence locked for seamless integration.
The drying process, a symphony of precision, stretches each hide to perfection.
Every fiber, meticulously aligned, contributes to the leather's final integrity. High-volume precision, a hallmark of our automated drying infrastructure. The vacuum press engages, delivering hydraulic force for impeccable surface uniformity.
Every piece positioned for optimal exposure, guaranteeing uniformity at scale. Automated staking, essential for achieving the desired suppleness and texture. Hydraulic precision, meticulously applied, guarantees uniform softness and pliability.
Pliability confirmed. Process optimization nominal, ensuring material integrity. Buffing sequence initiated. Surface texture achievement optimal.
Microabrasion cycle active. Grain uniformity 99.9%.
Surface finish validated. Aesthetic profile enhanced and perfected. Coating application initiated. Durability factor maximized for optimal performance.
Sealing layer integrity, 100%. Finish protection engaged for longevity.
Quality protocol active. Thickness and strength parameters rigorously within tolerance. Grain inspection engaged. Surface anomaly detection 0, affirming flawless production.
Packaging sequence initiated. Product data integrity confirmed, ready for dispatch.
Logistics sequence activated. Dispatch readiness achieved. Global delivery imminent.
The initial stretch begins. A calculated precision under atmospheric control. Every hide finds robotic precision guarantees uniformity, stretching each hide with an exacting force. This is the cornerstone of its ultimate form. Vast arrays of hides dry in a synchronized tableau, each a component of the larger industrial symphony. Efficiency defined by sheer scale.
Transcriptions. The transcription features a narrator speaking over the industrial sounds and music. The narration emphasizes the immense pressure precisely applied. The vacuum press sculpts raw material into a flawless, uniform surface. Flaws are eliminated.
Refined and smooth, the hides glide forward. Each stage flows into the next, a testament to unyielding efficiency. Now, the leather is made pliable. Automated arms perform a rhythmic dance, ensuring every inch achieves perfect softness.
Each articulation, each flex is a micro-adjustment. Polished steel ensures consistency in every stroke, refining the material's feel.
The final surface treatment begins. Gleaming robotic systems stand ready to impart the luxurious finish demanded by high-end production. The final pass. High-speed precision brings forth the desired sheen, a testament to engineered
Precision buffing refines the texture, ensuring a flawless finish for every product.
Protective coatings are applied with laser-like precision, sealing durability and enhancing aesthetic appeal. Every micron counts. Uniformity guaranteed. ensuring the product's finish is perfected.
Final packaging. Each item sealed for protection, ensuring product integrity before dispatch.
Traceability established. Each label a mark of certified quality and precise origin.
Global distribution initiated. From factory to market, every step executed with precision.
Precision measurement. Every sheet validated.
Strength verified. Material integrity confirmed.
Grain mapped. Perfection analyzed.
Parameters stable. Flawless production.
Output stream confirmed. Proceed to packaging. Sequence optimized. Initiate final phase. Precision stacking. Every unit placed. Synchronized assembly. Mass production in motion. Final stage. Preparations for dispatch. Sealed for transit, protected and prepared. Shrink wrap sequence initiated. Material secured for transit. Product identification verified. Labeling complete with robotic precision. Data integrity confirmed. Every unit traceable. Every detail precise.
Palletization optimized. Automated transfer to staging zone.
Logistics flow. Entire operation synchronized for dispatch.
Automated transport initiated. Pallet acquisition protocol active.
Cargo transport confirmed. Destination, Loading Bay Alpha.
Docking sequence initiated. Vehicle alignment verified.
Cargo secure. Loading complete. Cycle efficiency maintained. Dispatch completed. Continuous workflow maintained. Next cycle begins. The automated drums ensure consistent treatment, a testament to synchronized industrial power. Each solution is precisely dosed, guaranteeing optimal material preparation. The material moves with seamless flow, advancing to the next critical processing stage. Immersion is executed with exactitude, preparing the hides for structural modification. Precise splitting ensures consistent thickness, a fundamental requirement for quality material.
Final calibration of thickness guarantees optimal material absorption for the next stage.
Automated precision dictates every chemical balance, preparing the material for its next transformation.
Within these drums, raw material is reborn, strengthened by scientific accuracy.
Precision dyeing infuses every fiber, crafting the perfect hue with unwavering accuracy.
Hides advance with swift, robotic grace, each movement contributing to the rapid, efficient cycle. Every variable is controlled, every metric observed, guaranteeing absolute consistency and quality. Spended and perfected, each hide dries under exact conditions, ready for the next stage. Under immense pressure, the leather attains its flawless, uniform texture.
Automated motion delivers suppleness, ensuring every piece is perfectly pliable. The final pass, a robotic dance of precision, unveils the leather's ultimate luster.